All right, guys, this video is all about negative match types, and it's really important to know what negative match types are so that you can use them when doing your campaign optimization, which is going to help you save money on Amazon PPC. So negative match types, think of it as a way to shield your ads from being triggered on search terms that are not really good for your product. Either they're search terms that are unrelated to what you're selling, or they're just not profitable search terms that you've dug into Entourage and you know that this search term is not profitable for you. You would then consider doing what's called a negative match type. Now, there are two different negative match types. There's a negative exact and there's a negative phrase. Let's start with negative exact because it's the most basic and easiest to understand. So a negative exact match type is going to eliminate you anytime somebody searches for that exact word or phrase. So for example, let's say that I sell indoor cat caves, and I noticed that somebody came along and they typed in outdoor cat caves or outdoor cat cave. They went ahead and they're shopping for outdoor cat cave. They see my ad, they clicked on the ad, and because I sell indoor cat cave, they bounced, all right? So through the data, I noticed that anytime somebody uses the phrase outdoor cat cave and clicks on my ad, I'm losing money. Well, that's a great opportunity to do what's called a negative exact match type. So by using outdoor cat cave as negative exact, I'm basically saying that anytime somebody searches for outdoor cat cave or outdoor cat caves, I do not want exposure for that whatsoever. So it's an exact relationship. I'm identifying what I don't want, and I'm saying, Amazon, do not give me that when anyone types in that exact search term. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Now, negative phrase match is a little bit more complex, but it's still very simple. It's also could be very, very, very powerful. Okay, so negative phrase match will eliminate you from contention for the entire phrase, but even if there are words before or after it. Okay, so let's say, for example, we do a negative phrase match on outdoor cat cave. Now, if somebody types in outdoor cat cave for pets, and I have a negative phrase match, I am not going to get exposure because I have negative phrase match right over here as inside of my campaign. So I'm telling Amazon, I don't want outdoor cat cave no matter where it shows up in the customer search term, no matter what they're searching for. If they're using outdoor cat cave in any way, shape, or form, I don't want visibility. Now, this is important because it could give you less exposure to a lot of search terms, which is really good. It also can help you save a lot of money. It's really important to use this wisely. And inside of PPC Entourage, we've identified the words that we feel strongly are going to be good in terms of using them as a negative phrase match type. But let me give you one more example. Let's say we use the word outdoor. I'm going to get rid of for pets. Let's say we use the word outdoor as our negative phrase match because we sell indoor cat caves. If we use the word outdoor as a negative phrase match, that's going to eliminate us from outdoor cat cave because the word outdoor is in there, you know. Or if we have another search term, let's say cat cave for outdoor cats, right? Now, because we used outdoor as a negative phrase match, that's going to eliminate us from contention from our ad being triggered because it's in the search term. Okay, so negative phrase match is super powerful, but it has to be used very, very carefully because it can eliminate you from many, many different search terms. In this example, it's actually really good because I sell something for indoor cats and I don't want to sell something, I don't want people who are looking for stuff for outdoor cats to click on my listing. So one more really quick thing, if we go over to Amazon, you're going to notice that I have a campaign opened up over here. And here we have a section to add those negative keywords. Now you can add them on a campaign level, so that means that if I add them on a campaign level, it's going to impact all of the ad groups, okay? And in this campaign, I have 2 ad groups. So if I add them here, if I click on this and I can add these negative keywords, both of those ad groups are going to get those negative match types, and it's going to impact both ad groups. But I can also do it on an ad group level, okay? So if I click on an ad group over here, you're going to see that there's negative targeting right over here, and I have 4 keywords inside of as negative targeting, all right? Now, the reason why we love to do it on an ad group level is it's much more specific to that particular ad group. Ad groups could have different match types, they could have different variations, and all of these things are going to play out a little bit differently with the Amazon algorithm. That's why we love to do negative targeting on an ad group level because it's much, much more specific and it can help you save money on ad spend, particularly on the keywords inside of that ad group. All right, guys? So the next video is going to be all about campaign structure, and we will go from there. Talk to you soon.